Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to log out of Facebook on iPhone and delete your personal information. Let me show you, okay, this quickly video. Facebook, open your Facebook and log out your Facebook profile. In the corner, can you watch 3 lines, scroll down and log out, okay? Now, when you are here in the corner, can you watch 3 points, touch here, okay? Let me touch here and remove profile from this device. Touch here and here you can delete your personal information if you save it, okay? Now, but not is all, okay? Now, if you have iPhone, in your window, okay, in your screen, scroll down and here is write passwords, and this is the official app on iPhone. Maybe you save your personal information here, okay? Open and unlock with your Face ID or your code and try to find your Facebook. If you find your Facebook, delete that personal information, and with that you delete your Facebook account completely, okay? It's so easy and really fast. Sorry for my bad English, I know that is awful, but I hope that you understand me. This is all for this video. Have a good day and see you later.